Welcome to Knex Racer 2.0. Because of previous events, the previous Knex Racers have been confiscated to Virginia. Okay, let's get a look at the course. Alright. First, we're going to go onto this very steep incline, it's actually a picture, onto this mat that is another ramp, onto the cushiony bed ramp thingy, onto these two boys precariously perched there, onto this hill that is made of mats, onto the table where the previous racer is standing, and down to this ramp that says Eric and his funny animals, into this plastic buggy that is precariously perched in this closet. Okay. Okay, let's get a word from our manager of Knex Racer.
Hello, I'm Jimmy. Jimmy. It's Jimmy, okay. This racer rocks. Yes, it does. And I do the cha-cha like a shushy girl. Yeah.
And now a word from our sponsors. Condoms suck! Okay, we're back. Are you ready for Knex Racer? Oh, that sucks, doesn't it? Get it there. Oh, and here's Eric, our technical supervisor with a comb for a mustache. Let them see it, Eric. Let them see it. Oh, he dropped it. That's tough. Spectators are going crazy. Okay, once more. Again. And he didn't make it. Come on, guys, work with me. No, no, one more time. You have to make it all the way. Stop. This did not go as planned. It's time to take it up a notch. Oh, 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 oh. Oh. Jimmy needs some help. Eric, our technical supervisor, and our Jimmy, our assistant / spectator, is going to put this giant cross, made out of Knex, onto the table. Precariously perched. The Knex Racer will hopefully do some damage, either take down the cross or just do nothing.
If it goes through, that's going to be amazing.
If it goes through, it's going to be... That was good. Okay, guys. Oh, you. You suck. I'm going to do it. You take it.
No.
Take it. I'm going to do it. I got the camera. Move, Jimmy.
Okay, right? One more time.
Wow.
This is it, guys. What the hell? One more time.
Don't mess up what he says.
Don't touch my planes. It's the next video. Okay. Oh, song celebrate. Yay! Wait.
Go. Do it.
Okay, one more time. One time.
Let's do it.
I paid $10 for this?
You suck. And that concludes our edition of Knex Racer
2.0.
Jesus Christ.